Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious beef and potato curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef stew meat, cut into 1-inch cubes, and 3 large potatoes, peeled and cut into 1.5-inch pieces. Don't forget 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Also, have your favorite curry powder, a can of coconut milk, and some beef broth on hand. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat. Add your beef cubes in batches, browning them well on all sides to lock in the flavor. Once browned, remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onion and sauté it until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step builds the foundational flavors of our curry. Next, we'll build the curry's aromatic base. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder and cook for just 30 seconds to toast the spices. Return the browned beef to the pot, pour in 2 cups of beef broth, and add the cut potatoes. Finally, stir in 1 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Now for the final stretch. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let your curry simmer gently for 60 to 90 minutes. The goal is for the beef to become wonderfully fork tender and the potatoes soft. Once cooked, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Your rich and flavorful beef and potato curry is now ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with a side of fluffy rice or warm naan bread for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.